Hey guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome today to my review of Affincome Training Kit. Just before we get started, I want to let you know that I have today a very special bonus that is absolutely for free. Even if you buy it or not, just for watching, you're gonna get this free bonus. The only thing you need to do is stay till the end of this video to see how you can claim it. Well, in a nutshell, Affincome Training Kit is a training video course that is going to walk you through the main training on how to become an affiliate marketer on the main platforms like JVSU, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. I'm going to tell you now some of the chapters you're going to find inside Affincome Training Kit, okay? For example, first of all, you're going to get step-by-step training modules on what is affiliate marketing, an overview of Warrior Plus, JVSU, and ClickBank. You will learn also how to find affiliate products on any niche. You will learn how to choose the best affiliate offers, how to promote products on Warrior Plus, on JVSU, and ClickBank, the best selling niches on ClickBank, how to find bonuses for affiliate offers, how to use CB Engine, and how to promote products on Amazon, okay? Well, I think this is one of a kind training course for the price. It's just very cheap. It is only $17.95 and you have an upsell for less than $30, okay? And I gotta tell you something. I started with affiliate marketing with a video training course similar like this, but instead of 14 chapters, it only had 10 chapters, okay? And I saw I can make money online. Of course, everybody will tell you, to be honest, everybody will tell you make money every day, and no, this is not truth. For this price, you will never get a course where you're gonna start making money every day. This is just impossible, okay? But you can see that you can make money online like I did. I stayed like that for like 4 months, okay? I was seeing that I was getting some money, maybe $200 per month or so. Until that, I decided to take the Ministry of Freedom course, but that's a lot more expensive. It cost almost $1,500. But with that one, I really skyrocket my sales, and it's true, okay? Just in case you would like to know more about Ministry of Freedom training course, here I leave you a card. You can click on the card and you can watch my honest review video where I include over 150 bonuses if you buy via my link, okay? But to be honest, for the price that this costs, $17, which is like less than the price of two gin tonics, it's worth to try it, okay? I'm sure you're gonna make money, and I'm sure you, especially when it's your first sale online, it's something very special, okay? It's a very nice feeling. So, if you think this is something that you may be interested in, please stick with me because I'm going to show you now my bonuses. I'm also going to show you very quick how the dashboard looks like because I don't have much to show you. It's just a training course, video training course, okay? And in case you would like to get this training course, the only thing you need to do is go down to my description or my fixed comment, click on the link that you're going to find there. That is going to drive you to my bonus page. By buying through those links, you're going to be able to access to all my bonuses and the product itself, okay? One thing very important I want to tell you guys, I have a very special bonus today for you for free that even if you don't buy anything, you can get it, okay? But I will explain you that at the end of the video. So stick with me, okay? And now I'd like to show you my bonus page. Well, okay guys, here we're inside my personal bonus page. As always, you will recognize it because of my personal banner here and my Digital Chaos logo, okay? You also have my WhatsApp bubble here where you can reach directly to my cell phone in case you have any questions, all right? So let's scroll quickly down below. First of all, you're gonna have what is Affincome Training Kit all about, okay? And then the prices and upsells. The front end Affincome Training Kit costs just $17.95 US dollars, okay? Then you have an upsell which costs almost 30, $29.95, and is the only upsell you will find. With this, you will have access to the powerful Affincome Training Kit software and training modules. Okay, here I have listed some key benefits of affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is no drop shipping. So you don't rely on unknown suppliers to fulfill the orders for you. You don't need any customer support and spend hours a day dealing with ticket questions and refund requests. You don't need buying and storing inventory. You don't have to go through paid ads, okay? So this is the beauty of affiliate marketing like I do, okay? You can click on any of these buttons here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and these are instant delivery bonuses. That means that you're going to find them next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus, okay? So let me show you the bonuses I have for you today. If you get Affincome Training Kit today, you will get all these bonuses that I'm listing here below, okay? Just to let you know, I put together these special bonuses to help you skyrocket your incomes with Affincome Training Kit. Okay, so my bonus number one is Boomerang Buddy Pro. This is access to Boomerang Buddy, okay? Bonus number two is a YouTube super traffic hack. My bonus number three is access to Continuum done for you. Bonus number one and number three for the moment is access, okay, to these softwares, okay? Bonus number four is 10K email manifesto case study. So, okay, so this is very useful also because as an affiliate you will be dealing with email marketing. My bonus number five, as always, is if you take action today, is access to all vendor bonuses. Okay, like I said, if you buy through my link, you're gonna access to a document like that looks like this that you're gonna find next to your Warrior Plus files. And in this document, you're gonna have all the access and download links, okay? All right, guys, so those were my bonuses. I hope you liked them. Don't forget that I also have another bonus that is totally for free, even if you buy it or not, that I'm going to explain you more after now showing you the dashboard, okay? This bonus is going to help you either if you buy the product, it's going to be very helpful. And also if you don't buy the product, it's going to be very helpful for you as well, okay? So let me go over to the dashboard and then I'll explain you what this bonus is, okay? Well, and here we are inside the members area. As I told you, these are 14 training videos that go chapter by chapter, step by step. Okay, the videos look like this. I'm gonna put a quick play into this one. They're very nice videos. All right, and you can download them. Same, for example, here I have another chapter. This is about Warrior Plus. You have a couple about Warrior Plus. You can download them. And this is about ClickBank. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. You just go through the training videos and that's all, okay? All right, guys, that's my Affincome Training Kit review. I went very quick through the dashboard because, like I said before, it's just a video training course. There's not much to show you inside, okay? But I hope this review helps you take the right decision, okay? Don't forget that if you want to buy Affincome Training Kit through my link, the only thing you need to do is go down to the description or in my fixed comment and click on that link. That's going to take you to my bonus page, okay? Also, as I told you in the beginning, I will tell you now how to grab my free bonuses just for watching this video. What I'm giving you for free today is access to an autoresponder, totally for free, forever, and no credit card required to sign in, okay? The only thing is that you have a maximum of 500 subscribers. After that, you will need to pay, if you want, of course. But if you're getting started, 500 subscribers takes maybe a year to get, so you can use it for free for a year. Okay, the only thing you need to do is send me an email to this email address that you're seeing here right now, info@digitalchaos.s, that you're also going to find it in the description of this video, saying, hey Carlos, I want my access to my free autoresponder, and I will send it to you by email. Okay, all right, guys, if you like this review, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, just give me a thumbs down, no problem. That way I know I have to make it better for the next time, okay? And if you consider it appropriate, please subscribe to my channel by clicking here. Thank you very much for staying all the way to the end with me. Have a great week. Take it easy and be safe. See you.